Hello YouTube, Chashtech is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Windows not shutting down problem. So when you try to shut down your Windows computer, if it's not shutting down, then on this video we are going to see 4 solutions. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution in this video will be opening the power option and fixing some settings related with fast startup. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom and click on the search icon and type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open it. So after the control panel open, if you find your control panel like this, well done. If not, go here on the top and view by, select here the arrow and select here large icons. Then after that, click on power options. So after you open the power option, on the left top corner you will find choose what the power button to. Then select that and you will get here change settings that are currently unavailable, which is in order to make this one active. So select this one. So here it become active. Then after that, turn on fast startup is checked. So uncheck this one and click here save changes. Then after that, close your power options. So if this solution solved your Windows not shutting down problem, well done. If not, then we are going to use a CMD command, which is the second solution. So click here the search icon and type here CMD. And after the CMD, open here command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. Then click here yes. Then after that, type here under the CMD here power CFG -H or -H space off. So after you type this, then press here enter. So here it processes the power CFG command. Then after that, type here exit, then restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is solved, well done. If the problem still occurs, then the third solution for this video will be troubleshooting the power option. So in order to do that, click the search icon and type here troubleshoot. Here troubleshoot setting, then open it. So after the troubleshooting opened, then click here additional troubleshooters. So select here the additional troubleshooter. Then scroll down and find for power option. So here it is the power option on the additional troubleshooter power option. Then select here run the troubleshooter. So it starts detecting issues related with your power. So wait until it will finish. Here the troubleshooting has completed, and in my case no change or updates were necessary. So I'm going to close it. In your case, it may show you some steps or procedures, so follow the steps, and this will also help you to fix the problem. Then the final solution for this video will be the MS Config, so which is related with disabling some services which is other than the Microsoft service. So in order to that, click here again the search icon and type here MS Config. So after you type here the MS Config, you will find here system configurations option. So open this. So after the system configuration here open, just click here the service option. Then make sure you uncheck this hide all Microsoft service. So click this one, and after that disable all. Make sure you hide, then disable all, which is the other ones. Then select here apply, then select here OK. So it will ask you to restart your computer. So restart and check whether the power problem, which is the shutting down problem, is solved or not. So these are the solution on how you can fix your Windows not shutting down problem. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chashtech.